hair's already straight. My hair looks like she doesn't want to do anything to it.
Okay, you done with that part?
Yeah, I'm done. Ow!
Oh my god, get yourself together. What was that? What was that?
Okay, I'm okay, you guys.
You guys. You're okay. I'm okay. I'm okay.
Okay. Shit, what did I do? Okay, wait, I'm gonna like strangle you with the wire. I don't want to strangle nobody. Here, go like this. Do, 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 do. Sarah, how long are you gonna grow your hair? You look like Pocahontas.
It's not that long.
Yeah, it is. It's like as long as... Katie, isn't her hair as long as mine used to be?
It's not.
Yeah, it is.
Well, she's kind of bent right now, like leaning, so it looks longer.
Alrighty.
Let me see. It's not. No, it's not as long as yours though. Yours is like a lot. Caitlin, turn that
What
off.
are you doing?
Caitlin, is that a video?
No, I don't think
No.
it's a video, you guys.
Caitlin, turn that off. It's not,
Pocahontas.
it's not Pocahontas.
You know what? I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Sarah. It's okay. I won't burn you. Here, put your head this way.
Okay.
There you go. You know the lady that was doing my hair today, you know what she called me? She said it was Christina Aguilera.
Bitch.
I was like, that is the meanest thing I think I've ever heard in my whole life. I was like, I don't
That's
see
like
it.
really rude.
She knows it was rude because Christina Aguilera is a whore. And she's ugly.
Oh, that's pretty mean.
But oh well. Jeez, your hair's straight.
Mm-hmm. Well, it's not.
Alright, what is it, curly? Yeah.
It's like wavy.
I don't see it.
I do.
We are strong.
Love is a battlefield.
Ow!
Oh, jeez.
Sorry. Oh, okay. Well, we're almost done here, you guys. Where are we going tonight, Katie?
I don't know, wherever you want to go.
Huh?
Caitlin!
Wherever you want to go. What? I don't know. Kenny Rogers, you're right, I forgot.
Oh, yeah, we're going to Kenny Rogers.
Yeah, I forgot.
No one reminded you, dear. Jeez, you're making me feel really bad. Does it hurt that
I'm sorry, I'm very flinchy today.
Dude, I don't think I can do this. You're making me nervous as hell.
Oh, I'm nervous. I've had
I'm
bad
not gonna-
experiences with burns.
Well, Daniela.
Yeah.
I mean, what do you expect from that?
She's kind of like 3 feet shorter
She's
than
kind of a little twitchy. You know?
Mhm.
She burned
Not just that, I burned this finger.
I burned my finger on a
And
cigarette the other day.
I burned my ankle.
No, it was right in between my fingers. You remember that?
Oh my gosh, that was so sad. Your like,
I started
eyes got all
crying.
watery and you're like,
I started crying in the car.
and then you started laughing, so I was like confused.
I was gonna call you Katie.
Why?
Because she was like,
What did
dying.
you burn yourself on?
Because her grandma wanted to.
My freaking grandma was smoking a cigarette right next to my hand, and I moved my hand when I was taking the orders.
Because she was saying it, and then she like went up there and she. Bam, right there.
One time I burned myself on my leg.
Elena, you just got my ear.
No, I didn't.
You should in this for 15 times.
Okay, well, we're done.